This is my new background. Marami kang pwedeng gawin dito. I use it to take photos
And for my videos.
and sometimes for entertainment. Sa di ganong kalaking halaga, magkakaroon ka na ng one binalik. Isang portable projector. It comes with a pre-base para pwede mo siyang ilagay kahit saan. Inside the box, you'll see the manual. The projector itself, it's small and compact, so pwede mo siyang dalhin kahit saan mo gusto. And the remote, ang kanyang mga cord, with a 1080p resolution, you can watch full HD movies. Yeah, I mean Netflix. Anytime, anywhere you want. It also supports USB and HDMI. So if you're looking for something entertaining and useful, get it.
I'll put the link below and let Shopee deliver it right to your doorstep.
Shopee!